Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surahmi, kelas Biologi B. I will read material about the overview of animals. Characteristic of animals. Animals are a kingdom of multicellular eukaryotes. They cannot make their own food. Instead, they get nutrients by eating other living things. Therefore, animals are heterotroph. Animal cells. Like the cells of all eukaryotes, animal cells have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. See figure below. Unlike the cells of plants and fungi, animal cells lack a cell wall. This gives animal cells flexibility. It lets them take on different shapes, so they can become specialized to do particular jobs. Animal structure and function. Animals not only have specialized cells, most animals also have tissues and organs. In many animals, organs from organ system, such as a nervous system, higher levels of organization allow animals to perform many complex functions. Animals can detect environmental stimuli, such as light, sound, and touch. Stimuli are detected by sensor nerve cells. The information is transmitted and processed by the nervous system. The nervous system, in turn, may direct the body to respond. All animals can move, at least during some stage of their life cycle. Muscles and nerves work together to allow movement. Being able to move lets animals actively search for food and mates. It also helps them escape from predators. Virtually all animals have internal digestion of food. Animals consume other organisms and may use special tissues and organs to digest them. Many other organisms absorb nutrients directly from the environment. Animal life cycle and reproduction. Many animals have a relatively simple life cycle. A general animal life cycle is shown in figure below. Most animals spend the majority of their life as diploid organisms. Just about all animals reproduce sexually. Diploid adults under meiosis to reproduce sperm or eggs. Fertilization occurs when a sperm and eggs face. The zygote that forms develops into an embryo. The embryo eventually develops into an adult. Evolution of chordates. Another major step in animals' evolution was the evolution of a notochord. A notochord is a rig rod that runs the leg of the body. It supports the body and gives it shape. See figure below. It also provides a place for muscles to occur and counterbalance them when they contract. Animals with a notochord are called chordates. They also have a hollow nerve cord that runs along the top of the body, gives shield and tail are two other chordate features. Many modern chordates have some of this structure only as embryo. Evolution of vertebrates. Vertebrates evolved a backbone to replace the notochord after the embryo stage. They also evolved a cranium or baniscule to enclose and project the brain. Evolution of amniotes. Amphibians were the first animals to have true luck and lives for life and on land. However, they still had to return to water to reproduce. That's because their eggs lacked a waterproof covering and would dry out and out on land. The first fully terrestrial vertebrates were amniotes. Amniotes are animals that produce eggs with internal membranes. The membranes let gases but not water pass through. Therefore, in an amniotic egg, an embryo can breathe without drying out. Amniotic eggs were the first eggs that could be laid on land. Within a few million years, two important amniotic groups evolved: synapsids and sauropsids. Synapsids evolved into mammals. The sauropsids gave rise to reptiles, dinosaurs, and birds. Lesson summary. Animals are multicellular eukaryotes that lack cell walls. All animals are heterotroph. They have sensory organs, the ability to move, and internal digestion. They also have sexual reproduction. Vertebrates have a big bone, but invertebrates do not, except for the chordates. All animals' phyla consists only of invertebrates. Chordates include both vertebrates and invertebrates. The earliest animals evolved from colonial protists more than 600 million years ago. Many important animal adaptations evolved in invertebrates, including tissues and brain. The first animals to live on land were invertebrates. Amphibians were our first vertebrates to live on land. Amniotes were the first animals that could reproduce on land. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.